Some people make the world more beautiful just by being in it. Lord Gautam the Buddha is one such rare being who walked on this planet. He is the scientist of inner world who offered us step-by-step scientific method of meditation to explore our true inner self. Lord Buddha offered greatest teachings to mankind that there is only one permanent thing in the universe, and that is change. So, he urged the mankind to wake up from their eternal sleep of ignorance and embark on a journey to enlightenment. Appa Deepo Bhava. But there are very few people who are aware of his business insights and marketing wisdom. In fact, only monks have the right to run the market because they use their power with wisdom and compassion. The sword in the hands of a monkey is dangerous to mankind. In this competitive modern age, monk energy of wisdom and compassion is must needed to transform the marketplace. I recall such a heart-touching story from the life of Lord Buddha, filled with market intelligence and business brilliance. In the bustling marketplace of Sarnath, Siddhartha encountered a group of agitated merchants. Their stalls overflowed with silks, spices and jewels, yet their faces were dark and gloomy because the customers were hesitant to spend. Seeing Buddha, the merchants approached him and said with saddened voice, "Our clothes are plentiful, our jewels are shining and spices are healthy, yet our purses are thin. The people have no coin to buy." Siddhartha listened patiently and gently spoke, "Perhaps the problem is not with what you have, but how you offer it." The merchants were shocked and said in surprise, "We have offered our goods at the fairest prices. What more can we do?" Siddhartha smiled enigmatically. He then spent the day observing the marketplace. He saw the spice merchant hawking all the time with monotonous voice, another stacking his silks haphazardly, and the third arguing with customer over a deal. In the evening, Siddhartha returned to the merchants and said, "I noticed a few things today. One merchant fails to capture attention, another fails to showcase the value of his goods, and the third drives away customers with argumentative nature." So the merchants humbled, listened carefully, and Siddhartha continued, "Just as the wise farmer sows good seeds to reap a bountiful harvest, you must sow the seeds of value, kindness, courtesy, and customer satisfaction." He advised the first merchant to weave stories into his customer dialogue, the second to arrange his clothes like a king's treasury, and the third to cultivate patience and understanding. The next day, the marketplace was transformed. The first merchant delighted with tales of faraway lands where his silk originated and told unique process of cultivation. The second presented his spices and explained to customer about its taste and power to cure ailments. And the third offered tea and warm welcome with smile, building trust with each customer. Soon customers flocked to their stalls, drawn not just by the goods but by the experience. They saw the value, felt the warm welcome, and appreciated the pleasant interactions. By the end of the day, the worries of merchants had vanished, replaced by smiles and jingling coins. The learning from this story is that in any market, true success lies beyond just having a good product or price. It also required, number one, value creation. Highlight the unique benefits your product offers to the customer. Presentation. Showcase your product in a way that entices and excites the customer. And number three, customer focus. Build trust and rapport with your customers prioritize their satisfaction. By adopting these principles, you can turn also even the most challenging market into a flourishing one. So if you are wondering about me, my name is Ravi Ahuja. I am a leadership coach rooted in strong spiritual values and founder of Mystica Chemicals Private Limited, Mumbai. And we provide training and coaching services to lubricant industry. We conduct unique sales courses and we have limited seats available. If you want to utilize the opportunity of self-transformation, you may click the link below to join our Lube Leadership program and avail early bird benefit if you sign up today. If you have more doubts and queries, click the webinar link to attend my 3 hours Lube Leadership workshop to gain insightful value that will surely help you to master your sales game in the technical realm of tribology. We also have unique customized training and coaching programs for oil and gas, petrochemical, paint and polymer industry. Please contact for more detail. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the class.